Oh my God. My first viral video award. I won the internet last week. I got my first viral video. This is a dream come true. I've been working on this project for a week. Yeah, a week. Thank you. Thank you to the fans. Thank you to my mom, to God. Yeah, for sure. My mom, God, that's going to get me more subs for sure. 100,000 views. This is the start.
You got the decimal place wrong, man.
What do you mean I messed up the decimal place?
Yeah, it's 100, not 100,000, 100.
100 views? That's not even going to get me TikTok famous. This is the Artist Morning. What's up, beautiful humans? My name is Darius. Welcome to the Artist Morning channel. If you are new here, his name is Barack Obama. And he is very excited you are here. So in this video, I'm going to share with you what I've learned over the course of about 13 months of being on YouTube, over 50 videos, 731 subs, and about 25,000 views. I know that I'm just getting started, and I know I'm having a blast. And I know there's a whole bunch of you out there that are thinking about getting started, and that's exactly who this video is for. Content creators, artists, people who have something to say and are on that fence, that YouTube fence. I'm here to share my experience with you, and maybe when you're not looking, push you over the fence. Okay, let's jump in. Imagine there's a thing called a YouTube PhD. You can apply this to any creative endeavor, really. And imagine I told you you're going to give 5 years of your time and energy and commit to consistently showing up and shipping. And by shipping, I mean like creating something and then releasing it publicly. And in exchange for that, you're going to get a crazy ass education, tremendous expansion and growth, a lot of confidence and resilience building, but you're not going to make a cent in 5 years. Now sit with that for just a moment. Here's what's likely happening. You're going to fall into two camps, roughly speaking. Camp number one is, hell no, Darius. Are you crazy? I want nothing to do with this. I'm out. That's good. That shows you that you weren't really that into it. Second thing that's going to happen is the people that are like, okay, I want this. I see what's at the end of this. I want it. Those people start thinking about, okay, if I'm not making money doing this thing, I got to make money doing something else so that I can sustain this educational program. And that's really good for artists too. Approaching YouTube from a long-term, a 5-year perspective is very different than putting BS expectations of I'm going to make one video, 2 videos, and they're going to blow up. It's a game changer, changing that perspective. Number 2, everybody on YouTube, everyone on the interwebs, your mom, your dad, your uncle Jim loves to tell you how important it is to niche down, to focus, to pick a subject matter and just do that thing and become the world's greatest, whatever that thing is. I get it. Maybe you are pre-niche. Maybe you can do all that niche stuff and picking a subject matter in year 2. If you're just getting started, what would happen if you gave yourself permission to try things, to play, to explore, to get messy? And then at the end of year 1, maybe year 2, you took a look at what worked, what you love doing, and what you want to focus on. Not every moment and every YouTuber is exactly ready to niche. YouTube is not a social network. YouTube is a search engine. It's the world's second largest search engine. People don't go to Facebook or Instagram and look for videos. We don't do that. We do go to YouTube and look for videos. And when you go to YouTube, you put keywords. You should learn about search engine optimization, SEO. Here's the thing. Search engine optimization doesn't work overnight. You still gotta put the reps in. You still gotta do dozens and maybe hundreds of videos and show up every week. But if you do that and optimize, you are planting dozens or hundreds of seeds for the future. Your video might not explode overnight, But if you've optimized enough videos and you've given your audience a way to actually find you, then you're opening yourself up to the world's second largest search engine, SEO.
Oh, hey there, friend. How are you doing? My name's Barack Obama, and I know what you're asking yourself. Can I hit that subscribe button? Can I hit the like button? Yes, you can. Yes, you can hit that subscribe button. Yes, you can hit that like button. Show our friend Darius some love. Hit those buttons.
Okay, this is a very fast one. Have you ever noticed that sometimes people have different voices for YouTube? I'm here to tell you that your life can change. I'm not making fun of you if that's what your voice is like, because I have a YouTube voice too. And all I want to say in this point is, if you can make your YouTube voice a little bit more like your real life voice, usually that's a step in the right direction. I get it. YouTube is a performance. There are cameras, there are lights, there are mics. Yes, you're performing. That's okay. My point is, if you can remember that there is a human on the other side of this, your voice will probably change. Your tone will probably change. One quick hack for that is, if you take a picture of a real life human, this is a picture of me. So maybe not 8-year-old Darius, but sometimes people will put the picture right above the lens of their audience, the people they're looking to serve. And they remember that they're talking to a human, not a camera. Okay, this is going to be a difficult one. My name is Darius Basher, and I have gas. Gear acquisition syndrome. Don't know what it is? You might have it. Gas. I have bought a lot of gear. I love a lot of the gear. I love you, gear. I love you, gear. I love you, gear. And sometimes I just kept buying gear and acquiring gear with the idea of, if I had the best gear in the world, my videos would be so much better. Not true. Not true. Look at me. Not true. Tech matters, but not nearly as much as you think. More important than tech is shipping, making content, and sharing it publicly. I have gas. Maybe you do too. Also, how come it's only guys that have gas? How come women don't have gear acquisition syndrome? Life, especially life as a creator, is so much better when you have homies, when you have friends, when you have pals, when you have people who share your passion, your goal, your commitment to something, especially with YouTube, because it's so much more complicated than making content for a Facebook or Instagram. If you can find friends, if you can connect, if you can share best practices, if you can support each other, celebrate each other, lift each other, make each other laugh, or hang around in YouTube videos like me and my friend Misha. Yep. You guys might know Misha. Misha, say hi.
Hello.
This is the secret, that this is how we make videos. I literally plant Misha here, like here, and we make videos together. Yes, it's COVID YouTube video making, and you need to go find your own Misha. And then if you're lucky, you, Misha, and Barack can hang out. Oh, hey, I missed you. Nice to see you again. This tip is very quick. 50% of people on YouTube don't watch more than half of your video. So if you have something important to share in your video, make sure to put it in the front half. Also, if you jam-pack the front half of your video with juicy ass content, the chances of them getting to the end go up. In case you didn't hear that word, it was staying. I fumbled that one word, but we're going to ship this video. What? NBC wants to offer me my own channel, not even my own show, my own channel Oh my God. That's kind of what it's like. The modern day NBC, ABC, CBC, whatever you want to call it, the modern day broadcaster is YouTube. And they've given you a channel. And that channel has the potential of so much expansion and growth. But the first step of that is consistency. Everybody knows YouTube rewards consistency, and sadly, YouTube punishes inconsistency. So if you are committed to accelerated growth and expansion on your channel, consistent content always wins. Artist Morning is not just a YouTube channel. It's also an online community, a community of kind, creative humans who come together twice a week, every week, Wednesday and Friday, a free guided meditation, journaling, and connection and community. So if you are looking for space, support, and structure to help you on your journey as a creator, come meditate with us, come hang out with us. artistmorning.com. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.